I recently finished an awesome DIY project, my very own modern sporting rifle, a semi-automatic 5.56 AR-15. It was fun and challenging to build, but now I need some accessories, namely a laser. Leave it up to Wicked Lasers to come up with the next generation of Wicked Laser technology, the Evo. There's so much to love about this laser, starting off with the fact that it runs on 2 AA batteries, and it's got built-in patented cipher-locked smart switch technology that gives you control over who can access your laser. It's crafted from brushed and hard anodized aircraft-grade aluminum. It's got fully variable power modes including continuous, momentary, strobe, and bypass. And now the best part you're not going to believe. It's open source and smartphone controllable. After adding the smart port, you can control it with your phone, either wired with the included cable or via Bluetooth with the included Bluetooth module. And the expanded lens kit is amazing, turning the Evo into a portable laser light show with all kinds of cool effects. Oh, and the Evo can be reprogrammed thanks to its open source platform. And of course it does everything you'd expect from Wicked Lasers technology. Talk about tactical. So I attached a 45-degree offset rail mount, and then I picked up a 5-position 20mm scope mount. After a little bit of modification, the Evo fit inside nice and snug, and then I attached it to my AR. Now let's test it out. Keep in mind, nothing stronger than 5 milliwatts is legal on a weapon. It worked like a charm, and the guys at the range were in awe when they saw this. So that's my new ultimate tactical laser. There's a link in the description for more info. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.